Hello and welcome to this video. This is a road to not stinking at fingerboarding session 2, the 50-50 grind. I'm using this Revive Tech with the cat on the bottom. And I thought I'd start out with some warm-ups. So here I'm trying some shove-its and 360 shove-its, and then this is just some ollie practice, which you can see I'm actually that bad at ollieing. Anyway, what I want to do for my actual trick is ollie up onto this rail, grind it, and then just pop off. And most of the tries I left out, but I left in some the more interesting failures like accidental board slides and other things like that. I don't know if I actually landed it. It's all pretty sloppy, but I hope you enjoy. Well, this has been the road to not stinking at fingerboarding session 2, the 50-50 grind. I hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos.